Defender 110. This is not ordinary Defender. This is one of a kind Defender 110 with Nissan engine in it. It's not one of the crap engine that makes you so upset on the hills. Never get any power of that 2.5 liter diesel engine. This is a pickup version. It's old ex-army vehicle. We have been doing this up from top to bottom. Interior is upgraded, everything else, it is just a beauty now. I'll show you the engine. This is Nissan bd3000 or bd30. One of a kind, reliable, really good engine. Unlike Defender engine, you don't have to wait to heat it up and everything. You just turn it on and it starts, which I'm going to show you now. 1 second. It is unbelievable. Now turn it on. One more time. Beauty.